Hey you guys, come hang out with me and try some snacks I got from Japan. Let's start off with something savory. These baby crabs. Oh shit. Okay, so I ripped it open. Looks like this. Okay. Smells like sweet and spicy. Very crunchy, has a sweet and spicy flavor that I was talking about. Very shelly, you know? Like, I mean, I am eating crab shells, but I feel like this is more of like drinking and snacking type of food. Next one is mochi. It looks like this. Okay, so it looks like this. There's like a red bean paste. I really love that matcha herbal taste. Let's try the strawberry mochi. And the paper wrapping. Interesting. Okay, so yeah, this is the mochi. I'm gonna have to open it. I can't. Okay, what? It's in more paper wrapping. Okay, let's unwrap this one. What if there's like an even smaller paper wrapping? Here we go. All that work for this mochi, the strawberry mochi. This is really good. So this next one is this matcha cookie. Got it in Kyoto. And look, it's like a filling. The perfect amount of crunch, like not crumbly, you know? And it's buttery, and the middle part has a slight chewy texture to it, so it kind of glues all of that together. And the flavor is very, I love it. It looks like a booger, but it's not. I'm sorry. I'm getting a sugar rush right now, honestly. But let's try this mochi. Okay. So this is how it looks. Honestly, you guys, I don't think I'm gonna eat it. But yeah, sorry. Let's try something a little bit more different. I have some matcha covered almonds. Look at them. They look like beans. No! I dropped 2. 5-second rule. I love it. It's like creamy, like chocolate, but it has that herbal taste to it, you know? And matcha has caffeine in it, so this is a little energy booster at the same time. So I like it.